Can I file U visa by myself? Oh, you will never catch me telling you to go do it by yourself. You can do anything by yourself, but is it advisable, right? When you know that your future is on the line and this is heavily based on the law, where you're going to definitely need someone who is an expert, who understands the intricacies of this law, where you don't. Would you put your future on the line and do it by yourself to do a process that you know nothing about? There are aspects of this that, like, for example, when I'm doing the work that I do, there is heavy legal drafting involved. That means that we work on our legal arguments, and we also work with our clients to get the necessary facts that can help the officer to determine whether or not you qualify, which, if you're working with me, you likely qualify, and that's why you're my client. In most cases, if you didn't go to law school, you're not going to have those drafting skills. You're not going to be able to draft a legal brief that you put in with your client's documentation to explain to the officer exactly why the client qualifies for this. So I would say you can do it, but is it advisable? Would you put your future on the line doing something like that? So now is not the time to have this DIY mentality. Now is not the time. 2025 is not the time. I would see where you need to put your energy is to get the people that can put their expertise, their qualifications into properly advocating for you.